Azvina kumira zvakanaka mhuri yeZimbabwe ndadzokawo panapa nyaya ndakakubatirai panapa kunzi the Speaker of National Assembly Jacob Mudenda said that President Mnangagwa may take action against cabinet ministers who fail to turn up for parliament business without giving any explanations, reported newzimbabwe.com. Speaking during Wednesday's question and answer session, Mudenda said he had forwarded the names of the ministers who appear to be constantly absent from parliament to Mnangagwa for him to take appropriate action. Mudenda was responding to Danka Mvura MP Prosper Mutseyami Triple C, who had raised the issues of absent cabinet ministers. He said, "I want to assure you, Honorable Mutseyami and the House, that I have written to His Excellency the President indicating the rosters of honorable ministers who appear to be constantly absent in the House, contrary to Section 107(2) of the Constitution. I want to believe that His Excellency the President will take the necessary action accordingly." Ndo mashoko akataurwa naMudenda mushure mekunge maministers mazhinji vari kungoita skillful rekurovha kuparliament pasina anenge azivisa chikonzero chinenge chaita kuti arove. Ndo nyaya yacho mhuri yeZimbabwe ndakakubatirai panapa.